Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the watch and clearing a flat, well-lit workspace. This prevents scratches and accidental taps. Next, identify the band type, quick-release pins, tiny screws, or a proprietary latch so you know which tool to use. Once done, lay the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. Make sure to align tools before prying. A gentle, steady motion avoids bending pins. You're ready to release the band on the first side. You compress the spring bar or carefully unscrew the tiny fastener, using steady pressure so the pin retreats without flying out. Once free, remove the old band and take note of orientation. Many bands are marked L or R or have an arrow indicating forward. Now position the new band, insert the pin into one lug hole, compress and guide the opposite end into place until it clicks or seats flush. Make sure the band sits level and nothing is pinched before you move to the other side. You finish by testing the fit. Tug gently and rotate the band through its normal motions to confirm pins are secure and aligned. If you feel play or hear clicking, power off and reseat the pins or tighten screws. Replace any bent or damaged pins with OEM parts. If a pin jams or a proprietary latch won't release, use a magnifier and retry with the correct tool. Make sure to avoid excess force. One key tip: if unsure, swap parts at a watch repair shop to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.